Ipahigayon kagapon ang public hearing mahitungod sa De Osamis City Anti-Dengue Ordinance. Pinaagi sa Committee of the Whole sa Sangguniang Panglungsod ang mga public hearing ang gitambungan kini sa mga barangay kapitan sa 51 ka barangay, City Health Office, SWIMO, City Engineer, City Legal Council ug uban pa. Nagpadala usab og mga representatives ang mga private school ning Dakbayan. Hinumduman nga nag-declare og dengue outbreak ang Sangguniang Panglungsod, human nag-call for declaration og dengue outbreak ang City Health Officer nga si Dr. Maria Florilyn Irog-Irog, human natala ang 318 ka kaso sa dengue og 7 ang patay sulod sa 4 ka bulan niining tuiga. Ang mga barangay opisyal ning Dakbayan ang naningkamot nga masumpo ang pagkuyanap sa lamok nga nagdala og dengue nga virus. Pagguba sa mga breeding sites sa lamok apan dili igo ang paningkamot sa mga barangay kapitan hinungdan nga nagpahigayon og public hearing para sa proposed ordinance De Osamis City Anti-Dengue Ordinance aron masumpo gayod ang pagkuyanap nini.
Our dengue cases has become uncontrollable because despite the efforts of the barangay captains, my officials, and other stakeholders to conduct daily campaign against dengue, nagapidaghan nga nagdaot kada adlaw. Rising case of dengue in San City, in fact, it exceeds the case last year. First 4 months last year, exceed karon nga tuiga. And the LGU said, the DOH gave the communication that if our dengue cases, our mortality rate exceeds 2% or exceeds 1%, we might declare a dengue outbreak. So, pagkamata si Kapito, ato nang nakita nga naagi day outbreak nga wala makaya sa osyedad. Muna, last session, our council passed a resolution exhorting and requesting all the people in San City, not only the barangay officials, who are doing the daily task, restoring the mosquitoes, the dengue mosquitoes in our city, but exhorted every resident, every family in San City to clean their respective backyards of possible sites of the breeding sites of the mosquitoes. Apan napadayan yapon. So, we now opted to craft this ordinance para masumpo ang dengue. Kaya nakita ang mga dili lang ang mga paningkamot sa barangay officials, city officials, dili igo alam makontrol ang dengue. But it needs the collective participation of all residents, tanang tao dito sa Samis, na malimbyo sa ilang kawalingong backyard. Ilang panamalay, para masumpo ang dengue. E kung dili mitabo, di kami masumpo. Muna, we captain this ordinance para to make people aware na at ordinance, kung dili sila utuman sa ilang mga duty as appealed by the City Council and the LGU, nga limpyo na ilang mga paligid, you will have to be sanctioned by those ordinance.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, everybody. This proposed ordinance or measure, the Osamis City Anti-Dengue Ordinance, providing for the terms and penalties for willful and negligent acts in connection thereto, is a necessary follow-through to the resolution we have already passed declaring Osamis City under a state of dengue outbreak. In recent data from our City Health Office under these provisions, there have been 318 cases reported in Osamis City with 7 casualties in just 4 months, an increase of 137.5%, or more than double of the reported cases. Because of these developments, the City Health Officer, Dr. Maria Florilyn Irog-Irog, has called for the declaration of this existence. And according to her, the daily cleanup activities of the LGU officials are negated by the willful and negligent and careless attitude of some households, with reports stating that stagnant waters are still seen inside their yards despite repeated reminders from the LGU officials. Considering the surge of cases and the case of mortality rate of Ozamis, there is a need to penalize private individuals who do not cooperate in this campaign against dengue and those who make their households a breeding site of dengue-carrying mosquitoes.
Humano niya ma-approve ang maong ordinansa, aduna na unya mga penalty ang mga individual nga makasupak sa nasangpit nga ordinansa. Ang first offense 5,000 pesos or an imprisonment og 6 ka bulan. Second offense 5,000 pesos or an imprisonment og 9 ka bulan. Third offense 1 year imprisonment. Alang sa DXDD Radio Campana, ang radyo sa simbahan, W45 Dudong Bargamento, Danaag sa Lakbayan.